Hey everyone. I'm making this video because I didn't see any other videos on YouTube covering this topic. This shower has an American Standard shower valve installed. It's an old shower valve from like the 1940s, I think, and it's different from most other shower valves where you got the faucet handles on each side. One of the ways that it's different is you got like these two like pipe stubs extending out of the wall, whereas on other on other shower valves, like the opening is the valve opening is behind the wall. And the other way that it's different is the valve seats, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So you might unscrew the valve stem and look inside, and you might think maybe the shower valve is not you might think the valve seat is not removable, and you might notice that it looks different from like most other shower valves where you remove the valve seat by inserting a valve seat wrench into like this square hole and then turning it, and then you pull out the valve seat. But on these, I'll show you how to remove the valve seat. Well, I mean, you could probably just pull it out with like maybe a screwdriver, but so here's your valve stem that I just removed, and just pull that part down a little bit, and just stick this in here. Screw it in all the way, and then just pull the valve seat out. And it's actually most commonly called a barrel. So if you ever need to replace it, that's what it looks like. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with the valve seat, and so I'm not going to replace it, but it's called a barrel if you ever need to replace it. And then, to put it back in, you just put it on the end of the valve stem, you screw it on, and you just screw the thing back in. And that's it. So, thanks for watching.